Alright, I got this expanded edging here from Ryobi, and I have my trimmer that's expanded, and I want to try to see how this works as far as taking off the trimmer part and putting the new expanded on there. Let's see what happens. There's a little knob there. I think you take the knob off and then you get to put the new thing on. And twist it. Push this little button maybe. And there it goes. That's how easy it is to take that device off there. Now all you have left is just the top piece of the expanded. So you twist the knob and then there's a little button you push. Here's the device. It's already got a blade on it, which is nice. It's got a wheel, rubber wheel, a little mud flap looking thing, and the end cap. And it looks like they give you, no, they don't give you, I thought maybe they give you an extra blade, but they don't. So on this end cap, there's another little silver button you push, and it takes the cap off. You don't want to lose that cap. You could use it again. And then you just plug it in. All right, I wanted to get a view of the Ryobi itself. This is what you get when you get the box. It's got this blade on here. And it's got like a little flapper for like a, I don't know what that does. The wheel's nice and heavy duty. It's heavy duty rubber. And what you do to connect it is on the end here. When you get it, it's got this end cap and it's got this little button here. It's a silver button. You push the silver button and you pull it off. And then you can this is your main device for all your tools that you add on to the expanded system on the Ryobi. And all you do is turn this knob counterclockwise and you align the screw up. Now this knob has 3 holes, so you can set it up for whatever direction you want the blade to go on your different tools. So you just push it in. Heard that? It snapped in, and now there's a little screw on there, a little silver dot, and then you just tighten it up with this knob here and you're ready to go. As I said, you can put that little silver thing on 3 different locations on this device. Banded on there, it has 3 holes in the this green part here. There's 3 holes. You can adjust the device to whatever hole you want. So I originally had it in the wrong hole, so I just moved it to a different hole. And we'll give it a shot now. Here's the edge again. What the hell? How the hell did this battery just die? not dead. Maybe it's just jammed up in there. Not jammed. I think what it has is it has a thermal protection built into it so that if it gets stuck and uses too much torque, it shuts itself off for a few seconds. And usually I cut the grass before I do this. I wanted to do it without cutting the grass. That's why I did it. Worked really well. So over here, one more piece over here. Let's see what happens. I think it's working really well though. If I cut the grass, it'll be a lot easier. Definitely does the job. I like this thing. Now I'm going to use the blower attachment. I do suggest highly that you cut your grass before you use this. I just wanted to see how bad it had to be before this thing would get clogged up. That's why I didn't cut the grass. But if you cut the grass, this thing will slice through the stuff like butter, I think. Alright, and I'm trying to get this thing off. See how easy that is. That's how easy it is. Came right off. I like it so far. Here's the blade. It's got some wear on it already. Okay, after using the edger, we got a nice brown edge on the grass here, which I never got with the Craftsman that I had. Looks really good. Whenever I do it next time, I'm definitely going to cut the grass first, then I'll edge. I usually do that. I just wanted to do a really worst case scenario where I never cut the grass and then use the Ryobi, and I wanted to see if it could actually do the job, and it can. So in the end, this edger worked really well. It's the Ryobi expanded edger, 40 volt. It worked extremely well. It was extremely fast to use, even though I didn't cut the grass at first. I would not suggest cutting edging without cutting the grass first. But the lines on the grass are really nice. They could have been better. I went through it really quick. But this 40 volt device works well. I would suggest buying some extra blades for the edger. You never know when those are going to go out. And the battery didn't die when I was using it. The motor got stuck in some dirt and it shut off the motor, so it didn't burn out the motor, which is nice. The Craftsman burnt out my motor, and it never had an overpower protection like that. So I like this a lot. And now I have to get rid of that Craftsman because I don't like it.